Okay, good morning, guys. It's been a while. Welcome to Bright Xchange. It's good to be back. It's been a while since we actually recorded class, actually do tutorial. I'm making use of the dark shade probably because of light I'm treating my eyes, so I literally don't want the light to affect me. So now let's head on to the Nodepay. Now on your Nodepay dashboard, you literally when you've logged in your Nodepay dashboard, you get to see something like season 3 is now live. Find out more, or season 4, depending on what time you're literally watching this video. And you will see current season as of now. At the time of me recording this video, you see current season is current season 7. You're going to see your total earning for the season. You're going to see your today earning. You're going to see boost campaign, missions, and the rest. So let's wrap it up. Now, literally, when you log in, when you sign into your Nodepay newly, the first thing you're supposed to do is probably fill in a login form. You actually you click a referral link and join. But the first important thing you're supposed to do is extension. You're supposed to install the Nodepay extension. Literally, you see it. When you click on this Nodepay, literally by your side, you're going to see this extension icon. You get to click it, the Nodepay extension. Once you click it on your system, you actually just wake up every morning. You just click it. When you click it, the dial is off. As long as your system is connected to the internet, it start mining. You get it? Meaning, as long as your system is connected to the internet, automatically you're mining. So all you have to do is just literally click it. Just click it and leave it. You can keep on doing whatever you want to do. As long as your click is already connected to the internet, it's mining. That's how you allocate points on your Nodepay. Then literally now, let's explain the full dashboard. On this network connection, you get to see all your devices that is connected to the Nodepay, public missions and the rest. Now, Signal is literally not going to be opened for you as of the time you join. You literally don't have opportunity to explore the Signal option and few things like that. So I will explain the Signal option, how the Signal option works, so that probably when you enable, you literally know how the Signal option works. Then let's head on to the most important one you get to see. Now on the dashboard, when you click on view or missions, now let the mission page load. Literally, these are some special missions you tend to do so that you can get more node points and the rest. So literally, once you completed this mission, that if it's open as of the time you registered, you get to complete. If it's not open, just leave it and focus on other things. Now you literally get to see daily treasure claim, streak challenge. This streak challenge is enabled for all accounts. You get it. But when you're making use of Nodepay on your phone, on your mobile app, maybe probably I'm making use of this Nodepay on my phone, I literally not get to see it like that. Then on the Nodepay on my phone, I literally not get. Let me actually open it on my phone. Now, okay. Now if we look at the Nodepay on my phone, you're seeing it, but I literally don't get to see that reward system or the rest on it. So I will literally explain how this stuff on the phone literally works so that you get to see it. Okay, let's head on to the screen. So literally on the daily challenge mission, you get to see current streak. The current streak now is literally I've logged in for 14 days consistently. I've logged in for 14 straight days. So what I don't got to do is just click claim. When I click claim, automatically I get 600 added points to my Nodepay accumulated balance of the day. So this is one of the ways you can literally earn more Node points. You're getting, but if you're not making use of desktop, you're not going to actually have access to these particular categories. So you're not going to be limited with the daily claim on the mobile app and the baseline earning on the mobile app. Now, probably when you scroll down, you see other missions successfully invited, first user and the rest, master this thing. First of all, what you do on this user engagement and you actually connect your Discord account, you connect your X account, formerly known as Twitter, you connect your email, and you follow the Nodepay app on your X account, that is on your Twitter account, and link it up so that you can literally start earning and the rest. So those ones are fixed. Once you do, you can literally see the knowledge quest. You actually please just complete this one so that you can actually earn more points on the Nodepay. And literally how this Nodepay works. Literally, you know that Nodepay is actually Nodepay have actually been listed. As long as it's listed, you're actually looking for a way they roll out the next edition, which will actually there's no date now when they're going to be releasing. There's no date for distribution. So this limited time you have just use it and mine and accumulate more points. More points you're able to accumulate at this limited period. Just use it to accumulate more points. Best you can do. Under these earnings, now on these earnings, This is where you get to verify your wallet. You're seeing your email, you connect your email, you connect your wallet, and you confirm your wallet address. Now, confirming your wallet address is actually not hard. I'm going to explain how you're going to be able to confirm your wallet address. Now, confirming your wallet address is actually not hard. Let's scroll down. Now, you can see from season 3. You can see I already have points on this account on season 3. You see I have points and blah blah blah. All the whole point accumulate each season. All the whole point accumulate for each season is already here. So on this verify email, you literally click your email. Now connecting wallet is literally not hard. Let me explain how connecting wallet is literally not hard. First thing you're going to do is probably on your search button. You just have to do Google Chrome. Oh, okay, let's say Chrome extension. Now, you just search for Chrome extension. Oh god, I'm making use of advanced browser. So, okay, on Chrome extension, you literally click on the Chrome extension store. Then if you're making use of Chrome or any browser that actually supports Chrome extension, you make use of the Chrome extension store. Then yeah, you literally just have to search. If it's Phantom you're using, you search Phantom. Just search Phantom. When you search Phantom, you install the Phantom wallet. You just install it. When you install it, you copy your seed phrase from your Phantom wallet and put it. Or if you're not making use of Phantom, you can still search for Softly. The Softly app, all of them, Softly. Sorry, I think I literally got the wrong. I know this spelling. Anyway, for those that are actually familiar with it, you know the Softly app. You literally know the Softly app and this in the Phantom and the Softly app. So literally, let me show you the icon so that you know the icon. Yeah, there's the icon, Softly wallet app. Yeah, there's the icon, the Softly wallet app. When you do it, you actually go back there, you log in your seed phrase, will tell you to unlock wallet. You're going to put the password so that someone will not be able to enter your wallet. Then you come here, you click confirm wallet. When you click confirm wallet, it's going to open your Phantom app or the Softly app, depending on anyone you're using. But sometimes when you want to link it, there's one issue we actually detect, whereby you want to link it. Maybe you actually install only the Phantom app. The Nodepay website will literally not be picking it. Will say not detected. So all you have to do is just install the Phantom and the Softly at once. Let it two be installed on your Chrome extension. Once you literally install on your Chrome extension, you click it. Once it detects, you've already signed in. You confirm the wallet. Once you confirm the wallet, that is all. Now for this middle and boost, this is actually when there's a boost campaign, you get to do it and just feel like you can mine more faster and this thing. Now I think I've literally explained the dashboard, the connection of wallet, the total earning and everything. Remember, the most important thing for you to do is for you to actually install this Nodepay extension. And once you've installed this Nodepay extension, you've connected it. That is all. Literally, you've started mining. To get this Nodepay extension is literally not hard. On the Chrome extension, still on the Chrome extension app, you just search for Nodepay. On the Chrome extension app, you just search for Nodepay. On the extension, when you search for Nodepay extension, once you search for Nodepay, you get to see it. You get in. Along that I search for Nodepay, you just install the extension. Once you've installed the extension, that's all. You start mining, you mine your thing, you do your stuff, and you move on with life. It's very easy. Now for the app, because literally I'm going to be explaining the app. So now for the app, let's say the app now is actually open. I've literally opened the app. Now this is literally you see the app on the side of the screen. Now this is the app on the side. Okay, wait, let me on my screen recording so that I can literally get. Now on this app, now when you literally see the app, let me on do not disturb so that I know it's my message. Now on this app, when you open the app, you can see your total number of referrals, you can see your total node point. If you look at the screen, that might mean it literally correspond to the whole scope. Now utilizing mobile resource, at this point you literally come and just click claim. This is the way you can mine on app. Literally mining on app is literally even faster than mining on system when you're claiming on this point. But you just have to stay connected on the system because sometimes the system mining literally boosts. You're getting. Once you claim this claim point, you actually get added to this your total earning. That is all. You just get added to this your whole total earning and the rest. Once it's added, you're done. You can still see your mission. The same mission I explain on the system, you can see it on your app. You will do it on your app. You see your earning, your transaction history, and everything. All of them are still on your app. But literally, you just know that under missions, the other one you get to earn daily script. You're literally not seeing it on your app. when you check, you will not see that ending of the daily strip on your app. So let's dive back now to the sorry, let's dive back now to um the system part. Now literally for the system part, now once we've actually connected our wallet, we have actually mined and we literally do all that things. We just get to do few things. Which few things are we doing? Just connect wallet. Okay, yeah, sorry, I literally skipped. Now let's head down now to the signal option. Now on the signal, if you actually got access to the signal, you get where you see explore. Now you're seeing explore literally where you can vote. But once you get access to the signal, you click on connect and end. Now on connect and end, literally you can see there's actually a daily script. At this end of the daily script, you actually get rewarded for your daily streak. Now what you're going to do here is literally when you put contribute and end, it will tell you to, you'll see at this point it will tell you sign in, do something. You click it. When you click it, you get to answer the daily questions of the day and a point will be allocated for you. Remember, the signal point is different from the main is different from the Nodepay mining point. There are two different points entirely. If you're getting me, there are two different points entirely. The signal point and the Nodepay point are two different points entirely. Then you get to suggest and vote. Now on suggest and vote, you get to vote the questions that's going to pop up next. You actually now this Nodepay signal actually have different ranking. The different ranking determine on how many Nodepay points you actually hold. Now to get Nodepay points, you can actually get it from BitGet, Mex, and the rest. This is the point you actually get. We actually hold coin. When you hold, you get access to this one. You literally don't touch the coin. At the end of the mining season, they actually give you a lot of coin. They actually give you bonus. Anything you want to do with it is your own business. But literally, for me, I just advise holding it. Yeah, literally, we are two different people. Some people literally don't have the patience to hold. Some people want to just get money and move out. They are two different people. So, as that one, literally your advice. But this my signal is where you literally get to suggest which questions will be asked so that everybody can vote under this scheme. If your question is approved, you get the approval that yeah, your question has been approved, then literally you can start the voting and the rest. It's not hard. The note is literally not difficult. It's literally easy to understand. Remember, the most important thing for you to get the Nodepay extension, get it connected to your system, link it to your system, and start mining. Then when you link it, make sure you're using the app and the system so that on the system you literally get access to a lot of things. Then on the phone, you don't get access to few things. You can actually do the adding and the rest. That is all. Thank you so much for sticking with Bright Xchange. And literally, I'll be dropping more video on the graphs and the few things. And literally, the most important video I'll be dropping, sorry if I'm rushing the talk, sorry about that. The most important video I will be dropping most time is literally the Phantom wallet. You actually know we are in this trend of the meme coin. Actually, we have to trade. Just like what I'm actually, the update I'm sharing on the group, you buy coin, you hold, you swap. So I'm literally going to explain the whole process for you to understand. Thank you very much for signing us. Don't forget, like, share, comment. How nice people better. Literally, not like, follow, share, comment. See you in our next class. Take care. Love you. It's Bright.